the little support level we are having here is this. Okay, so if the support level works good, it will easily go up to this, but if the support level breaks, it goes down, okay, till around there, because there's another good support level there. We can see if I draw the horizontal line around there, so we see a good support level around this position, around 280 to $1. And yeah, if I go for the long term 1-day chart, this is what it looks like, and we can see for the highest, it was around this position, which is $656. I just make a horizontal around there, so it started dumping from there. So this is the position where BTC started dumping. So from there all the altcoins started dumping too. So it reached the low to this, and after this it went to this, then it again fall to there around $405. Again it pumped a little, again it dumped. From there it went a little sideways, the highest was this. From there it fall a lot around there. From there it went to this. There it went down this support zone, which was around $200. I'll make another horizontal line there. From there it went around 333, and after that we see, so if we look to the lines closely, we can clearly see it's a downtrend. We see right there, because you guys know when it looks like this, it's a downtrend, of course. Can you draw? It's not letting me draw right there. So that's it for BNB. And after BNB, that we get the BUSD, which is also a Binance coin, which is a stable coin like USD coin and the USDT coin. So it's also a stable coin, which is like close to $1, but you can see it's 0.99997, so which is like 0.02%. So we see very less movement to the stable coins. Okay, so these are for like investing on other coins, like for pairs. These are used mostly like if you want to